Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a full guide on how to find a Telegram channel link. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your Android device. Step 2. Go to the Telegram channel. Once you're in the app, navigate to the search bar at the top and type in the name of the channel you're looking for. Tap on the channel from the search results to access it. Step 3. Click the channel image to the right of the channel name. Look for the profile picture or logo of the channel, usually located to the right of the channel name. Tap on it to open the channel's profile. Step 4. Copy the link that appears in the Share section. In the channel's profile, you'll find a Share icon or option. Tap on it to reveal the link to the channel. Copy the link that appears. Remember, the Telegram channel link should have the following format: t.me a2234. And that's it. You've successfully found the Telegram channel link. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.